Hey everyone, Jason here. Welcome to my knot channel. In this video, we're going to have a look at how to tie the double dragon knot. The double dragon knot is a loop knot, which is tied at the end of a working line, similar to the common bowline knot shown here. I'm including the bowline as a reference, but the two knots are quite different, although their use as a fixed loop knot could be the same. Another more similar knot is the perfection loop, shown here, which is also known as the angler's loop in the Ashley Book of Knots. In a moment we'll have another look at the double dragon, and you'll see a lot of similarities between the double dragon and the perfection loop. Of course, there are many other loop knots, and if you'd like to see others, then I recommend my video 12 Great Loop Knots. I'll put a link in the description and also at the end of this video. Now let's return to the double dragon knot. As I've mentioned, the double dragon knot is a fixed loop knot, which means it's non-adjusting. You can't find the double dragon knot in the Ashley Book of Knots, but it provides an excellent end of rope loop which functions as well as some of the other better known examples like the bowline and the perfection loop previously shown. So that's how to tie the double dragon knot. I hope you enjoyed this video, and now as promised, here's a link to 12 great loop knots. I hope you check it out. Thanks for watching.